they had made a choice to do some dramatic changes to the house, one of which was adding a gabled roof over a portion of the house in order to be able to insert the infrastructure into an attic space because it would create an attic space. We also did an addition on the house, which really expanded the house on the exterior, and in doing that we were able to move interior walls. We were able to work with some of the existing materials in the house and be able to complement them, so we didn't have to tear them out and start over again through some creative thinking and use of materials. It was a unique project in that they had a corner lot and a small backyard, but lots of space out front that wasn't captured and utilized. And so what we were able to do with that house was take their carport, expand it out into master bedroom, master bath suite, add another bedroom to the house as well. And then we created a new carport, but what we did is created that carport so that it created like a gazebo that you would find in a park, so that it could actually have a multi-function. She's quite the cook and baker, and so there was two criteria to design that kitchen, which was design it for a huge parrot cage, and we created a beautiful kitchen. Steve is a cabinet maker, a hobbyist, and so we expanded his garage to create a shop for him. The Eichler siding matches his custom-built door. Most doors are sliding doors. This is an overhead door, so you just push a button and the door comes up, as in most new houses. In the old Eichlers, that didn't happen. But this actually enhances the look of the Eichler and provides and fulfilled all their wants and needs. Bright Chain is a project here in Palo Alto. It was a kitchen remodel, and we worked together for a few months in the development of that, and designed, contracted, and built out a beautiful project for him in the kitchen, and also refinished the exterior of his house and the interior of his house, painting and flooring through parts of his house as well. This project started out as a kitchen remodel. Part of the design was to take the sink and move it from one, it was a galley kitchen, which is a kitchen that's parallel, and it was to move it, the sink from one side to the other side. And in opening up the concrete slab, we encountered the infrastructure, the radiant heat pipes and things of that nature, and what we discovered was the infrastructure had totally failed in this house. And we ended up cutting the whole slab out of the house and putting all new infrastructure in, including 18 pipes of 3-inch diameter for all the smart wiring of the house, all the media wiring, and creating a complete media equipment room and control center, and remodeling the whole house. This was a 90-unit apartment building in downtown Palo Alto. What we were doing was refreshing all of the common areas. And so this was 6 floors, and 6 floors in an apartment building could be very boring. And so we were providing new paints and floor finishes and wainscotings, and it actually turned into an extensive and fairly expensive project. One of the potential problems when they have these long, straight hallways and you're adding trim to them, walls tend to wander. And we were able to negotiate and find a creative solution to that by floating out walls and things. So that when we finished this project, it was absolutely beautiful, and what his comment to me was, it's like a high-end hotel. In a lot of the Eichler homes, the vanity area and the closet area may be integrated into the master bedroom. How do I make this feel a part of this master bedroom and not a sore thumb sitting here? And I worked with an interior designer by the name of Edie Sanford. It was absolutely wonderful. As the owners started to see what we could do, they decided to do a complete home renovation. It's so important to have a good team working together and smoothly together. And not long after that, I actually went back and did 2 2 other projects in 2 other houses they own as well. They came to us to see if we could remodel their kitchen, and we worked closely with them to come up with a design concept and dramatically change their whole kitchen. And then about 2 years later, they called us back and we did both of their bathrooms. And those came out quite lovely as well. The design itself is timeless. What isn't is the finishes and how we use the house and our needs in the house. So one of the things we did in Miyako's house, and we've done in a lot of the other projects, we actually opened up rooms to make a more gracious and open space, more great room type areas and things, and bring in the light and the outdoors, but again, the Eichler, that philosophy, that indoor-outdoor aspect, creating the virtual connection between the 2 spaces. What she said to me in the end of the project was, "This is too good for me." And that really made me mad. And I told her she was absolutely wrong and it was absolutely perfect for her.